What's happening, good people? Welcome to the channel. I'm Wes, aka Mr. Budget Watch, and today we are doing an unboxing. So you guys have already seen what it is, but you know, this is going to be my first impressions. Obviously, you know, even if you didn't look at the title, most of us now can tell by the packaging what this is and where it's from. Because, you know, these things. So this was not provided to review, but I did get a small discount. So I think, oh, hang on, there's actually, I almost threw that away. So I'll show you that in a second, and that is pretty much it. So it looks like they've actually provided me with another strap. Now usually these watches do come with a second strap, but you know, I've never had this one come before, a Zulu style in blue. So yeah, that's quite nice. Just get rid of that plastic because we don't need that. And obviously it's standard box. I'm not really going to go into details because, you know, I've had loads on the channel already. So you get your cleaning cloth and you get your pointless warranty card and a little hang tag and your instructions, which you don't need. And there is the watch. Do we get anything else? No, that is it. So chuck that to one side, get it off this pillow, and there it is. So this is one of their newer releases. It's not their newest release. That would be this one, what I've reviewed on the channel recently. That's one of their newer ones. I've also got another one on the way very soon as well. Hopefully that'll be here in time for the sales, but this is, like I said, one of their newer releases, and it is very, very nice. The reason why I like this one compared to other, you know, ones of this particular model is because of the brushed lugs. Usually these have got high polished lugs, and it really doesn't look nice, especially with a brushed bracelet. But you can see we've got a polished bezel, loads and loads of plastic, which I'll take off for the review, obviously. We've got a polished sign crown, and it is polished as well with that blue protective stuff. If you don't know how to take that off, just get a little bit of sellotape and you know, pop it off. So nice case profile. Is that damaged or is it plastic? Oh no, I thought it was damaged. It's actually they put protective plastic on the side as well. I've been noticing that a lot with Paganis actually. They've been putting more and more plastic on their watches. Usually, you know, it doesn't come with plastic on the sides. It usually just comes on the bracelet, crystal, and the case back as well, which you can see there, which I'll show you in a minute because it's a thing, yeah. So we've got that Rolex style clasp with all this blue protective stuff on it, and this as well. This is new. They don't usually put all this blue stuff on. It's usually clear plastic, but you know, oh, get off. So yeah, put all this blue stuff on it. Just wanted to show you the clasp. Oh god, it's all stuck inside as well. So there's the clasp. You know, you've seen these ones before on Paganis. It's you know, the Rolex style. Oh, hang on, does it have glide lock? That'd be pretty cool if it did. Let's just take a look. For the price, I don't think it will, but no, it doesn't. It doesn't have glide lock, but does it actually have micro adjusts? Oh yeah, it does. Not the best, but you know, at least it's got them, I suppose. It's a pain in the backside to use them though, but at least it's got it. In fact, let's take a look at that case back because it looks new. Will it focus? Come on. There you go. So that's another new design that I've seen. So this is, like I said, one of the new ones. They've also got this one as well, which is a new design. So it looks like Pagani are finally, you know, listening and starting to, you know, up the quality of their, you know, their watches with these new case backs and other good stuff. So this one is available in a few other colours as well. I went for the blue one because they didn't have any others in stock. I did want the black variant, but I actually quite like this blue one. It's a nice sunburst, applied indices, little date window. Not bordered though, but it does look like it's got a slightly beveled edge, what I can see. Applied indices, of course, them iconic Mercedes hands. So far, you know, first impressions, it's got a decent weight to it. I have noticed though that You know, there is a little tiny bit of wobble on this bracelet, just there. So the fit isn't perfectly snug. I like the profile. Screw down case back. Wish that, you know, had glide lock. That would be really, really cool. But then again, that probably would drive the price up a little bit. Do we have solid end links? Yes, we do. Are they screw links though? Or, oh, they are actually screw links as well, so not push pins. So that's really nice to see. The one on this Pagani has push pins, but they've brushed the sides. Really, really like this watch, by the way. Very, very good. So yeah, back to this one. Yeah, so this is high polished at the sides. So yeah, just looking around, see if I've missed anything. But yeah, quite nice that it's screw links. Weight feels decent. Of course, you know, I can't really tell much about the finishing. Let's just quickly peel one of the sides off. And there's your high polish finish. You can see that's, oh, hang on, is that scrap? Well, I don't know about that, guys. I've just cleaned it. And there seems to be, look, just there. It seems to be like there's either some residue or it is slightly scratched. So, yeah. I'll have to have a closer inspection at that. Let's take a look at this side, and again, it's got loads of plastic on it. I'll have to peel all this off and you know, get a good look over. But yeah, look at this plastic stuff. Look at what it's leaving. Oh, you know, you think they're like doing something and it's going to protect the watch, and then it ends up with like stuff like this all over it. So is it better to have it like that and you know, potentially scratch the finish, trying to get that off? Ugh, I don't know. I don't know, guys. Anyway, so the review of this one will be coming pretty soon. I have got, you know, quite a lot of other watches that need doing first. But yeah, first impressions, I like it. Some little finishing issues, but I'm going to try and, you know, see if it's just residue. But yeah, I like the design. Weight feels nice. Bracelet is, you know, pretty much the same as what I'm wearing right now, which is the PD Subby Homage. Bracelet's pretty much exactly the same, so it's probably the same bracelet they use. So yeah, I like it. Really nice. So yeah, link for this will be down in the description if you want to check it out. So yeah, review coming very soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And of course, follow me on social media at Mr. Budget Watch. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.